Rutabagas, another root vegetable that is maybe considered a hybrid between a turnip and cabbage. It has a slightly sweet, kind of earthy flavor, and you can actually eat this raw or cooked, and it's typically roasted or it's pureed, or what we're going to do is turn it into French fries. That's right. Why not? This is great for maybe a low-carb approach, or just to have some more vegetables in your diet, something fun, something different. Let's get into it with the FN Sharp paring knife to take out that outermost skin, and then we're going to cut it into about a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch wide planks. And then what I'm going to do is just called squaring up, and what that means is I'm just going to take, after I lay them flat, I'm just going to cut the outside edge here, and that'll just give kind of like a uniform, almost French fry, like rustic kind of appearance when they are finished and they are cooked. Fantastic and super simple, super easy. This, I feel like, is very approachable because who doesn't like French fries, right? Instead of roasting these in the big oven, we're actually going to take these to the air fryer, and it's just a quick, fun addition to add to your meals, and something that's, again, a very approachable. I'm going to get these onto a sheet tray. You can just do this on your FN Sharp cutting board as well, which would be to add some olive oil or whatever neutral oil you may have on hand, some salt and pepper. Make sure to kind of season generously. You can always add a little bit more salt once they're finished, once they're hot and fresh right out of the air fryer. A little salt and pepper, and a little bit of herbs just to add a little bit more flavor to it. Why not? Always looking to add more flavor wherever we can. So I will give these a good toss to make sure that everything is coated very nicely, and then we'll pop this in the air fryer. Since all air fryers are different, just kind of like ovens, temperatures may vary and what have you. So I'm gonna go at a higher temperature here, and I just want to make sure that about halfway through the cooking process that you give them a toss. So I'm doing 400 for about 15 minutes. About halfway, I'm going to check them, as you can see here, give them a quick toss, put them in again, and the end result should give you some nice browning on them. Here you go. This is the end result. But what I'm going to do too is, while I'm plating these up, because the color is kind of muddied a bit, I'll just take some fresh parsley or whatever kind of herbs, fresh herbs that you have on hand, and just sprinkle that over the top, and that'll make them really pop, and serve with your favorite condiment and ready to enjoy. Again, make sure to check out fnsharp.com for this and much more.